Hello students of 9th and 10th grade. So as you are aware, we were doing notice writing and we have gone through some key points to make your notice more appealing. So today we will continue with this topic, but before commencing, it's time to take the pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID-appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. So now let's get back to the work. So some key points about the notice writing were that first of all you have to write a catchy heading. Okay. First go read the whole statement of the question about the notice and then find what the title of the notice writing should be, and after reading the title you must come up with a catchy heading. A catchy heading can make your notice appealing. After writing a catchy heading, you will write a title from the question. Okay? Whatever the event is, you will mention it on the second place. Then you will mention the date and time of the event. After mentioning date and time of the event, you will mention the venue at which the event is going to take place. After mentioning the venue, you will mention the target audience or invitees plus the contact person, the person that should be contacted to get more information about the event. So this is your format for writing a notice. So for today, for your practice, we will solve two notices. First notice is question 1. Your school is organizing an inter-school dance competition. Write a notice for your school informing the students about the event. Now your school is organizing a inter-school dance competition. Okay. So the event is inter-school dance competition. You have to write a notice for your school informing students. So this means students are the target audience and students are the invitees. Okay? You have to invite students here. So first of all, after hearing the name of the event, inter-school dance competition, one catchy heading must come into your head. Dance. For this, the catchy heading can be put on your dancing shoes. Okay? डांस का नाम सुनते ही कोई कैची हेडिंग आपके दिमाग में आनी चाहिए, जैसे क्रिएटिव बनके आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, लाइक वी हैव रिटन पुट ऑन योर डांसिंग शूज. आफ्टर द कैची हेडिंग यू विल राइट द टाइटल और द इवेंट. व्हाट इज द इवेंट? इंटर स्कूल डांस कॉम्पिटिशन. आफ्टर मेंशनिंग टाइटल you will mention date and time. So date, you can mention any date. We have written 18th of April 2021. And after that you will mention time. You can mention any specific timing like 10 AM to 4 PM. After this we will mention the venue. Now this is inter-school dance competition and it will be held in the school. So you will mention the name of the school. But apart from just mentioning the name of the school, you will mention some additional address as well. Like school में भी कहाँ पे? So school में, school hall में. Okay? दोनों mention करने हैं. सिर्फ school का name नहीं mention करना, उसके साथ एक और जगह भी mention करनी है कि school में भी कहाँ पे? तो this is school hall. School hall, Xavier Convent School. After this, you will mention the target audience and the contact person. So ये हमारा लास्ट है यहाँ पे. All the students who wish to participate are to give their names to Mrs. Malini Mehta on or before 15th of April 2021. Okay, so we have mentioned the target audience and the contact person. Okay, so this was a dance competition. सो हमने मेंशन किया है कि जो भी स्टूडेंट्स पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं वो अपने नेम्स मिसेस मालिनी मेहता को ऑन और बिफोर 15 अप्रैल के पहले या 15 अप्रैल को दे सकते हैं. सो दिस इज इट. नाउ यू विल पुट दिस इन अ बॉक्स and this will contribute to 5 marks. Moving on, our second question is, you are the secretary of the students wing of Residents Welfare Association RWA of your colony. अब आप क्या हो? You are the secretary of students wing of Residents Welfare Association of your colony. Write a notice to be put up on the notice board outside the RWA office informing all the households about Diwali celebrations to be held in the community center near Surya Apartments on the eve of Diwali. So, अब notice किसके बारे में है? Diwali celebrations. Event is Diwali celebrations and the target audience is all the households. This means all the people living in that particular colony. Okay, and venue is also given here. Venue is community center near Surya Apartments. Apart from this, time is indirectly given here, which is eve of Diwali. Okay, so eve of Diwali का ये मतलब हो गया कि आपको शाम का टाइम, इवनिंग टाइम यहाँ पे मेंशन करना पड़ेगा. ये बात ध्यान से नोट करना. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ यू विल राइट अ कैची हेडिंग. सो द इवेंट इज दिवाली सेलिब्रेशंस. ऑन हियरिंग द दिवाली वर्ड, वन कैचिंग हेडिंग कैन बी फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स. दिवाली का नाम सुनते ही जो कैची हेडिंग हमारे दिमाग में आती है वो कौन सी होगी? फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स. आफ्टर दैट यू विल मेंशन द नेम ऑफ द इवेंट. इवेंट इज Diwali celebrations. After mentioning the title, you will mention the date. So वैसे तो दिवाली नवंबर में होती है, but just for practice we have written 6th of May 2021. And time will be evening time, that is 7 PM to 10 PM. After mentioning all of these points, you will mention venue. Venue was given community center near Surya Apartments. So you will write community center near Surya Apartments. Now this venue was given in the question, but still you will add some additional address along with this. अगर additional address add करोगे तभी आपको इसमें full marks मिलेंगे. Additional address आपने add करना है अपने आप से. Like we have added sector 85 Noida. Community center near Surya Apartment was given and we have written sector 85 Noida by ourselves. After that you will mention the target audience. Target audience was all the households, all the people living in the colony. So all the residents of the Surya Apartments are cordially invited for Diwali celebrations. All the residents, households को हमने residents लिख दिया. All the residents of Surya Apartments are cordially invited for Diwali celebrations. So that's it. Now question number 3 is for your practice and you will do this yourself. So just read the question. The Residents Welfare Association RWA of your colony is organizing a charity drive for the laborers who lost their jobs during the lockdown caused by COVID-19 pandemic. So RWA, Resident Welfare Association of your colony, organizing a charity drive. So the event is charity drive for the laborers. Laborers के लिए charity drive organize की गई है. कौन से laborers के लिए? Who lost their jobs during lockdown caused by COVID-19 pandemic. उन laborers के लिए जिन्होंने अपनी नौकरियां गंवाई कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक के दौरान. Write out a notice to be put up outside the RWA office requesting the residents to donate food grains, oil, spices, soap bars, clothes and other necessities to be given to the laborers. अब यहाँ पे टारगेट ऑडियंस कौन सी है? रेजिडेंट्स, क्योंकि RWA ने जो नोटिस लिखना है वो रिक्वेस्ट किनको कर रहा है, रेजिडेंट्स। सो टारगेट ऑडियंस इज रेजिडेंट्स and donation can be of food, grains, oil, spices, soap bars and all other necessities that can be given to the laborers. So this is all about this question. So you will do this work yourself. All the very best.